Spectrum app crashes on Apple TV are a common issue, especially on older devices or after software updates. The main culprits are software bugs, limited hardware resources, and sometimes network issues. These can cause sudden app exits or error messages. Reinstalling the app will clear corrupted data and reset permissions, fixing around 70 to 80% of crashes. Delete the app, restart your device, and re-download from the App Store. Make sure your Apple TV is running the latest tvOS firmware for compatibility fixes. Go to Settings, System, Software Updates to check and install. Clearing the app's cache will remove temporary files that cause bloat, and this can resolve crashes without a full reinstall. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Spectrum, and select Clear Cache. Make sure to restart your device after applying any fix to ensure the changes take effect and improve stability. Let's start with reinstalling the Spectrum app. First, go to your Apple TV home screen and find the Spectrum app icon. Press and hold the touchpad on your remote to select the app, then choose Delete. Next, restart your Apple TV by going to Settings and selecting Restart. Then, open the App Store and search for Spectrum to re-download the app. Now, let's update your Apple TV firmware. Navigate to Settings on your home screen. Select System, then Software Updates, and install any available updates. Next, clear the Spectrum app cache. Go to Settings, Apps. Find Spectrum in the Apps list and select Clear Cache. For best results, force quit the Spectrum app after clearing cache. Double-click the TV button on your remote and swipe up on the app. Also, ensure you have stable internet of at least 25 Mbps to avoid streaming issues.